Down by the bay, where a forest did grow, there lived a frog and some other animals too. Then came along a scary hotel. No, no, save our home! Help us, save our home!
Habitats need to be conserved to help animals like this little frog. When a habitat is destroyed, many animals lose their homes and die. We destroy biodiversity when we don't conserve habitats. By saving habitats, we can help biodiversity. We can also help animals survive if we preserve habitats.
We can help lots of animals survive by doing our part to conserve habitats, become more informed about habitat conservation, and do things like recycle. April 30th has been designated as Save the Frogs Day, and there are many programs to help conserve and preserve habitats. If we all don't do our part to conserve habitats, then biodiversity will be destroyed and lots of animals will die. When habitats are destroyed, it isn't only through the building of places, it can be through the pollution of a place. Do your part to stop all kinds of pollution and preserve habitats.